Hello, lads. We are here today to view this magnificent creature. Apparently seems to be looking around for its prey. What is this? Oh my god. Whoa! Holy crap! Amazing! Simply amazing! He shoves the whole thing in his mouth. Doesn't even need to chew. It's incredible. Whoa! What a magnificent creature! I think this is what you say, an obese American. Whoa! Oh my god! Look at those Yanks, they are so crazy. You know what, Jenkins? This is magnificent. Look at him! Look at him! He's giving birth! Whoa! Oh my god! It's simply amazing! Lord help us right now! Lord help us right now! You're overreacting. Jenkins! Jenkins, this is crazy! Whoa! Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! It's just simply a foolish American. He's not very... Jenkins! Oh my god! Whoa! He did... Whoa! La! Oh my god! I can't... Peter! Are you okay? Peter! You American! Look what you done to Peter! Peter! No! Peter! Hey, his wallet. Whatever. Forget this magnificent beast. Carry on, Matthew. Carry on. Cheerio!